Okay, can you see now? Alright. So try the 69. If a plus b is 12, and then a squared minus b squared, it's 96. What could be the value of the a? And also, in case if you're completed with that one, so look at the challenge extended one. You can try one of those questions. Alrighty, so let's look into the question number 69. All of you guys are on the screen. Is on the screen quickly. So it's a plus b is 12, and then a squared minus b squared, which is 96. So before I go over this one, Anai, how did you solve the answer for that? Explain it your reasoning.
So I just substituted the numbers back into the problem since it was multiple choice.
There you go. So that's one of the strategies. Definitely, you can look at these multiple choices and you plug back in what plus what gives you 12, and then you square the numbers and then subtract them. It should give you 96. But the only thing is, like, we don't know the b value also here. So it's sometimes it's a good faster way, but sometimes it may not work faster too. Okay. So how do we solve this? So eyes on the screen. So that way you guys know exactly what to do if this question comes on the test. And first of all, when I see this question 69, it's given here is a squared minus b squared equal 96. That's the first step. But we know the formula, a squared minus b squared means a plus b times a minus b. That is 96. Is this step is clear? Bhavisha is good to go so far? So far?
Yeah.
Okay. A squared minus b squared means a plus b times a minus b. But when I look at the question, they give me a plus b is 12. I'm going to use that one. So a plus b means it's 12. I'm going to replace that. And then a minus b is going to be 96. Now this is a multiplication. So I'm going to get rid of the 12 by dividing by 12 on both sides. So what we can get is a minus b. 12 goes in 96 how many times?
8.
So the a minus b is 8, and then a plus b is 12. I mean, we're still not done with the question, but because we need to find the a value. So if you guys remember, in the last unit, or the last before unit, we did the systems of equations. We solved the elimination method, substitution method, graphing method, you name it. So many methods we did. So we're going to use one of them. Okay. So I know a plus b, it's 12. And now also a minus b, it's 8. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine these two. So plus b and minus b cross out. And then I get a plus a is 2a, that is 20, because 12 plus 8. 2 times a is 20, so the a is going to be divided by 2 on both sides. A is 10. A value is 10. So that's how we can solve the questions when this is given, question is given to you. So what we did, we used a special product formula plus elimination method to get our answer. Okay, so that's how we solve these type of questions when it comes under the test.
So for me, it was like 8 plus 4 equals 12.
Mm-hmm.
And then I used those numbers and plugged it into a squared minus b squared. I squared them. I got 64 plus 16. Oh, no, wait, not plus 16.
Or minus.
Oh, no, wait, it wasn't 8. It wasn't 8 and 4. It was actually 10 and 2.
Right.
I squared those. I got 100 for 10 and 4 for 2 squared. And then I subtracted them. I got 96.
That's
and whatever
good.
was in the a value, I put it there.
Okay, so that's good. I think I bet, and I also try the same way. See, this is the one way, sometimes a guess is good. Sometimes a guess may not work. It takes more time. In that cases, What is it?
I didn't put plus for this one.
What did you do?
So first, I saw the RS equals 15, but then I saw the quantity of R plus S squared equals 64. So I knew that R plus S had to equal 64 or 8.
So you're doing on the next question. Okay.
That would make R times S equals 8.
Makes sense.